क्वेश्चन लेकर आएगा।
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, in charge of the Forest and Environment Department, said that the government is aware of the issue of illegal production and transport of charcoal and has been leaving no stone unturned to prevent the same. Replying to the call attention moved by Nongpo MLA Maral Born's aim of the UDP, he said that the government is serious about checking and effectively containing illegal transport of charcoal. For this purpose, the state government had notified Meghalaya Charcoal Control of Production, Storage, Trade and Transport Rules 2008, which was further amended in 2019.
So the government is serious about checking and effectively containing the illegal transportation of charcoal. For this purpose, the state government had notified the Meghalaya Charcoal Control of Production, Storage, Trade and Transportation Rules 2008, which was further amended in 2019. So these rules are notified in exercise of powers conferred under Meghalaya Forest Regulation 1973. The rules inter alia regulate production, stocking, sale, purchase, import and export of charcoal.